Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Minnie says hi too. It is Monday, April 21st, 2025, coming to you from mobile headquarters. And if anyone out there cares, I will be returning to the motherland sometime in May or June. Once again, returning to the motherland May or June. Talked to my friend Jose, and we got the green light for another trip, and super excited. I don't know, a little disappointed. I don't know if the dates will line up to have Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 with us, or with me. But yeah, circumstances out of our control. Don't want to make it public. But anyhow, I thought the last two trips should be coming with me. But again, it's probably not going to work out. So we're going to be seeing Sandra. Sandra is the lady, the professional lady that's in charge of the village of 135 families that we support in a small way for the last 10 years, which would be 15 trips to Guatemala. If you're interested in donating, we buy shoes, soccer balls, dolls, food, whatever. Send me an email at cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. No pressure to give, but if you want to give, I've been talking about Guatemala ever since I started the YouTube channel in 2017. Again, no pressure, but a little bit goes a long way down there. So that's the video, returning to the motherland soon. And I'll be doing some more videos down there. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.